Hello! Today you will learn how to save some time wasted in adding border manually to your data in Excel. To do this, you will first select the entire dataset. Then, navigate to Conditional Formatting and click on it. Then, click on New Rule. This opens up a pop-up. Choose Use a formula to determine which cell to format. In the formula box, click the first header cell and remove the middle $sign. Then insert greater and less than sign followed by 2 double quotes. Then navigate and click on Format. Then click on Outline Border. Then click on OK. Then click OK again. Now, whenever you type in data and press Enter or Tab, Excel automatically apply a border and format itself while you work. That's it for today.